To continue, one of the benefits of the A-frame system is coupled with your topping lift, and the topping lift is the line that holds up the boom from the aft side of the boom, is you can help the boom from stopping to move. So you can hold the boom in one place. In this demonstration, we had actually tacked, and we have a little bit of a side swell coming on the side of the boat, which can be quite frequent. And here's a case where our boom is moving around. So when you look at our boom, we're on a port tack, but we have a swell coming from starboard. And this is quite disturbing. The boom bangs and crashes and bangs, and we can do one of two things. I can bring my green sheet in, and I'll demonstrate that now. And I could stop the boom from moving. However, my sail trim is just terrible. We've really just tightened the leech, and I'm not getting good airflow over my sail. So I'd like to get good airflow, so that means I need to keep my twist in the main, which means I really need to keep my boom up, but being held in place. So I'm going to ease my leeward main sheet. That's my starboard side sheet. To be really careful with my hands when we have a boom and a sea state that moves. That can be quite a pinch point here on the winch. Okay, so I've eased my main sheet, my leeward main sheet. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my topping lift on just by hand. So I'm gonna close the clutch, pull on the topping lift. There we go, the topping lift is on. And then last is I can bring on a little bit of leeward main sheet. There we go, and it just pulls down on that topping lift. Now we can see the boom is completely still, so it is locked in position with my two lower main sheets and my topping lift. The sail is really happy. We're able to keep a lot of twist in the mainsail since we're sailing kind of on a reach. So the sail is happy, and more important, everyone on board is happy. We don't have a banging boom, so it's quite a comfortable cruising setup. All right, there's one more feature I'd like to share with you. Come follow me downstairs. Here we have our A-frame main sheet system. Again, we have our port line on port, starboard on starboard here. These boats have extra D-rings built in. So we have one on the center line of the boat, and we also have a D-ring on each outboard side. So in the case that you're running, say, off the wind, and you'd really like to move the boom far out or off the wind, you can move the main sheets on these different hooks or positions such that the boom still becomes prevented even though it's let way out. So we can demonstrate that here. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So what you're gonna do, Panda, is you're gonna ease that mainsail and you're just gonna keep it on the green until the red is loose. I'm gonna move the red over, bring the red on, then we move the green. Yeah, that's fine. For this video, we're just gonna call the sheets red and green. Keeps clear communication between the person at the helm and the person down here doing the operation. Okay, Panda, if you could, go ahead and ease the red and bring all of that mainsail pressure on the green alone. So in this case, it'll be just like a single main sheet system. The boom will just be running on the green alone. Yep. Need to bring it on the green. Yeah, ease that red. Yeah, and just keep that topping lift on. That should be good. Okay, I'm gonna unclip the red. Are you ready? Okay, so here our main sheets have a quick disconnect. So I can pull this sheet off. And again, this sheet is not loaded right now. So it's not loaded, we have all of the pressure on the green. So I can take this now, I'm just gonna hold it by here for safety. And I can clip it right here to the center line of the boat. Okay, red is on, Panda. She's gonna bring in all of the slack on the red. making sure the lines stay clear. We don't want to catch anything. Okay, now what Panda's going to do is she's going to transfer all of the load from the green to the red. So red is on, she's going to transfer that load and ease the green, so now the green sheet will be loose. So let's go over to the green sheet. Let me know when you're, okay, green's coming off. Okay, we have that green sheet off and we can move this now to an outboard position. Can you let a little line out? Excellent. Okay, green is on. Excellent. So here we are. We have transferred our mainsheets A-frame system to a more outboard setup. So great for sailing off the wind for long periods of time. The mainsail and the boom are still pre-vented, so if we do accidentally jibe and we get backwinded, we won't cause any issues because the main sheet is holding that boom in place. So we have the topping lift and the two sheets holding our boom in place. To change back this setup to your traditional A-frame setup, just follow the steps in reverse. There's nothing special there. Super. So we've eased out our main, we've moved the A-frame system outboard. Our last check is we want to make sure the mainsail is not touching the shrouds. So for long periods of time, we want that mainsail just off of the shrouds, by a few inches. For short periods of time, you can allow the sail to touch the shrouds, say if you're reefing or unreefing off the wind, or doing maybe a quick maneuver. But in this case, we're going to be on this tack for a while, so we just check, which is a visual check looking up your shrouds to make sure that the sail is not touching. And with the A-frame main sheet system, we've let out the boom, we've prevented it with our two sheets, and I just want to show you here a good visual of that. So not only do we have our two twin main sheets on the boom, but we have our topping lift on as well. So the sail is really happy because it has a lot of twist, but the boom is happy too because it's not moving. The boom is solid and it's in position. This is actually beneficial if we're, say, sailing on a long passage and we need to reef. We don't have to move the boom. We can actually just reef the sail from this position. And the boom stays in place so it doesn't bang around, or it's not a hazard if you do have to come up here to do some work. That's our wrap on the A-frame main sheet system. It's a wonderful system for a cruising boat. Amanda and I really have come to love the system. And we hope this video was helpful to understand how easy it is to use and all of the benefits. In the next video, we're going to talk about mainsail trim, particularly twist.